Hey Tom, how's your day going? You look like someone who just escaped a 3-hour meeting without coffee.
Pretty close, actually, except it was a 4-hour meeting with terrible coffee. How about you? You seem unusually cheerful today.
I'm doing great. I just finished rereading one of my favorite books, and it completely boosted my mood. Thought it would be fun if we talked about our favorite books or movies today.
That sounds perfect. I've been looking forward to a chill topic like this. Plus, I'm curious what book could make you this happy.
Don't worry, I'll tell you everything. But you have to share yours too. Let's make this our fun little favorite story session.
All right, Mary, go first. What's this magical book that gave you a happiness boost?
It's The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I love how it reminds me to follow my dreams and trust the journey.
Ah, the classic follow your destiny story. I read it once, but maybe I was too young to appreciate it fully.
You should reread it now. I feel like it hits differently when you're older. The message becomes more personal.
Maybe you're right. These days, messages about purpose feel extra relevant.
Exactly. The story feels spiritual but simple, and I love that balance. And Santiago's journey feels relatable in a metaphorical way.
Speaking of journeys, one of my favorite movies is Interstellar. It completely blew my mind the first time I watched it.
Oh yes, that film is intense. The visuals, the music, the emotional weight, it's a full experience.
Hans Zimmer's soundtrack alone gave me goosebumps. I remember just sitting there afterward, unable to move.
I get that feeling. I love movies that leave you speechless. It's like they rearrange your thoughts.
That's exactly what Interstellar did. Plus, the father-daughter relationship was heartbreaking.
The bookshelf scene, ugh, don't even get me started. I cried. Time dilation and emotions at the same time is too much for my heart.
Same. It's science and feelings at war. And Christopher Nolan loves confusing us in the best way.
True, but that complexity makes it fun. You finish the movie but then spend 3 days watching YouTube explanations.
Exactly. And still end up confused. But it's the good kind of confused.
So, is Interstellar your top movie ever? Or do you have others fighting for the crown?
It's definitely top 3. I'd say The Shawshank Redemption is another masterpiece I adore.
Oh, wow, that one is so inspiring. Andy Dufresne's calm determination amazes me.
Yes, and the friendship between Andy and Red feels so real. It's hopeful, but grounded.
I love the line about hope being a dangerous thing, but also a beautiful thing. It sticks with you.
The ending gave me so much comfort. That beach scene is pure emotional payoff.
Speaking of emotional payoffs, one of my favorite movies is Inside Out. It captures feelings so beautifully.
That film is adorable, but also deep. I didn't expect it to teach me about emotional balance.
Right? Joy and sadness learning to coexist was such a powerful message, and it's a cartoon.
Pixar has a talent for making adults cry. Kids just think it's colorful.
I know, right? Meanwhile, adults are like, oh no, my childhood memories. It hits different.
So, The Alchemist and Inside Out, both philosophical choices. I'm sensing a theme here.
Maybe I'm secretly a philosopher trapped in a friendly girl's body. I just enjoy stories that make me reflect.
Honestly, that's one of the things I like about you. You find meaning in everything.
And you enjoy confusing movies with black holes and time paradoxes. That says a lot too.
Hey, I'm not confusing. I'm intellectually adventurous. That's what I tell myself.
Sure, Tom. Whatever helps you sleep at night. So what's your favorite book then?
It has to be The Hobbit. I love adventure stories, and Bilbo is such a relatable hero.
Oh, that's a great pick. Bilbo is so humble and funny, and his growth is inspiring.
Yes, he's not a typical hero, but he becomes brave step by step. And the world building is amazing.
The dwarves, the treasure, the dragons. It's impossible not to enjoy. Did you read it when you were young?
Yes, I read it at around 12. It made me want to go on my own adventure.
Let me guess, you packed a backpack and walked around your neighborhood like it was Middle Earth.
Okay, you didn't have to expose me like that. But yes, I absolutely did.
That's adorable. I used to pretend I was Hermione from Harry Potter, so we're even.
Hermione suits you. Smart, prepared, slightly intimidating when passionate.
Intimidating? Wow. Thank you for the compliment, I think.
It's definitely a compliment. Intimidating in the don't mess with her intelligence way.
I'll accept that. Speaking of Harry Potter, I loved the whole series. It shaped my childhood.
Same here. I waited for the book releases like my life depended on it. Midnight releases were magical.
And the movies brought it to life so beautifully. Even if some details were missing, they stayed true to the feeling.
Totally agree. The soundtrack alone brings back memories.
Iconic. I still listen to Hedwig's theme sometimes when I study. It makes learning feel magical.
I should try that. Maybe it'll magically improve my productivity.
No spell can fix procrastination, Tom. Believe me, I've tried.
Ouch. That was a direct hit. But true.
Anyway, I love how books and movies shape our emotions. They help us understand the world.
Absolutely. They're like mirrors sometimes and windows other times.
Beautifully said. Look at you becoming poetic today.
And look at you being impressed. I should say deep things more often.
Maybe you should, but don't overdo it. We still need your funny, confused side.
Don't worry. That side isn't going anywhere. Especially when you explain complicated book metaphors.
I'll take that as a compliment. And for the record, you explained science scenes pretty well too.
Thanks. I try. Even though sometimes I'm just guessing confidently.
Confidence is half the explanation. You're good at sounding sure.
That's my secret talent. And what about your secret talent? Crying at movies?
Hey, don't expose me like that. But yes, I cry easily, especially at Pixar movies.
It's cute though. Shows you have a good heart.
I'll allow that compliment. Anyway, what's another book you love?
Probably The Martian. It's funny, scientific, and full of tension.
I love that one too. Mark Watney's humor is gold. He makes being stranded on Mars look almost fun.
Exactly. The humor keeps the tension balanced. Plus, the problem solving is brilliant.
I admire characters who stay calm under pressure. I would panic after 5 minutes.
Same here. If I were on Mars, I'd probably faint before solving anything.
We'd be terrible astronauts, but we'd make a great comedy duo.
I can see it now. 2 humans, 0 survival skills, infinite screaming. A hit movie.
We'd win awards for chaos, but not for heroism.
Agreed. Back to movies. Have you watched La La Land?
Yes, I love it. The ending hurt my soul, though.
Me too. It felt realistic, but painful.
Sometimes love stories don't need happy endings to be meaningful.
True, but I still wanted them together. I'm soft like that.
Same. We're both secretly emotional. Don't deny it.
Fine, I admit it. Movies turn me into a marshmallow.
See? Growth. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll be accepting emotional awards soon.
I'll be your presenter for outstanding achievement in crying during movies.
Hey, I don't cry that much. I just get emotionally hydrated.
That's the funniest phrase you've ever said. I love it.
You're welcome. I bring vocabulary innovations to the world.
All right, philosopher. What movie shaped your worldview the most?
Probably Life of Pi. The visuals and symbolism stuck with me.
Oh, yes, that movie is a masterpiece. the ending is both beautiful and heartbreaking.
Exactly. It makes you question what truth really means.
I love stories that challenge your mind. They stay with you for life.
Agreed. And talking about all this makes me want to rewatch everything.
Me too. We should make a movie marathon list sometime.
Yes, and a book sharing list too. I'd love to read something you recommend.
Deal. And I'll read something from your list, even the confusing science ones.
I'll pick the less confusing ones for you, I promise.
Thank you. I appreciate your mercy.
Well, this was one of my favorite conversations. It felt warm, fun, and meaningful, just like a good story.
I feel the same. Talking about books and movies with you is always inspiring and full of laughter.
Let's continue this topic another day. Maybe we can even watch one movie together and discuss it.
I'd like that a lot. Thanks for the amazing chat, Tom.
Thank you too, Mary. Until our next storytelling moment.
See you next time with snacks, stories, and more laughter.
All right, everyone, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our talk as much as we did.
Thanks for staying with us. Don't forget to practice your English every day.
See you next time on Podcast English Talk. Bye-bye.
Take care and keep learning. Goodbye.